Namaskar. Today I have to be speak regarding what is Bombay High Court say regarding about the PIL which has been filed by the former police chief Paramveer Singh. And what Singh is doing, he was filed a PIL in Bombay High Court, and when he was filing a PIL in Bombay High Court, he was filing a PIL in Bombay High Court regarding the he has and he had raised the question, and he had raised the question of corruption to the Home Minister of State Deshmukh, and he was saying that he was involved in some corrupt practices, and he was talked to the police, and he was talked to the Sachin Vajay that police had to be collect the money from the peoples as well as from the market, and money is around about of 100 crore, and he had filed a PIL in the High Court. And what was High Court saying? High Court said that he had filed the PIL, but it is, and in the PIL he was saying that one has to be forward at this case to CBI for the purpose of inquiry, and inquiry should be initiated against the Home Minister of State regarding about the corrupt practicing which he had done in the past. And court says that the PIL which was filed is not maintainable. Why? Because court has to be give the direction to the CBI and other agencies regarding about to check this matter when if the FIR is filed by against these people, and there is no FIR filed to the Home Minister, and no agency has been put forward regarding about to this matter, and court has asked to the advocates of Paramveer Singh that how would we initiate a proceeding, and how would we initiate a proceeding and CBI inquiry to this matter if there is no FIR filed by the former police commissioner against Deshmukh. And court is saying that he was working in the police sector, and he know the concept of CRPC, and he know the concept of FIR. Any matter which are initiated and which are proceeding against the people, in the beginning there should be a FIR. When there is a FIR, then we are putting a matter to the CBI and other agencies in the country, but there is no FIR filed against the Home Minister, and there is no complaint regarding about the Deshmukh, and there is no complaint filed by the Singh against to these people. And if court is saying that if we are putting a matter to the High Court, and High Court sending a matter to the CBI, firstly they have to be make, and they have to be filed a complaint, and they have to register a complaint in the police. When he has registered a police in a near police station, then we are putting this file to the CBI, and then CBI has to be initiate the proceeding against Deshmukh. And as far as this matter concerned, Deshmukh had denied all the allegation which has been imposed by the Singh against to this man. Thank you.